So today we'll do this question number 7 of exercise 3.7 and it is fifth part, right? This is the question and we have to solve it for x and y. We want to get the values of x and y. Have you seen here something? The values are very big. 152, 378, 604. So for doing this type of question, just pause the video and do this question in your notebook. Okay, after doing, then I'll tell you one more method which makes a question easier. So I hope you have tried this question, but I will give you one more method of this type of question. But what kind of question are these? What pattern you will observe here when you have to apply a particular method so that the calculation will become easier for you. So the pattern, I think you all have noticed down. 152 here and here also it is 152. Here minus 378 and here also it is minus 378. So whenever you have the two equations in which the coefficient of x and y, the coefficient of x in first equation and coefficient of y in second equation are same, in the same way here the coefficient of x and in first one the coefficient of y are same. So at this time, and the values are of course very large. If the values are large and they are of this type, so you have to add the equation once and once you have to subtract the equation, right? So I'm just adding these two equations. If this is first one, this is second one. So add equation 1 and 2. Now tell me what I get if I will add these two equations. Yes.
Minus 226x.
It will be minus 226x again.
Minus 226.
Minus 226y.
Equal to
and
minus 670.
Minus 670. It is 8. Minus minus minus. Of course it is common. And if you will observe 226 also can cut the whole equation. So it will be like minus 226 you can take common. What you will get inside? X plus y equals to minus 678. Minus and minus will cancel out each other. 226 3s are. So the equation is x plus y equals to 3. This equation I get it from adding the equations 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, we get an equation from adding these two equations, but now we have to subtract these two equations again. So subtract equation 1 and 2 and we have to change the sign here also, and this will be 152 plus 378. It will be
530.
530x. Minus minus is minus and again add them. The addition is same, so I can write it again. 530 y, it is y, equals to, it's plus, it's minus, so have to subtract it.
530.
Subtract them and you'll get 530. Simply you can see something common here, and that is 530 x minus y inside the bracket. It is 530, cancel out, and x minus y is 1, right? And this is equation number 4. Now can you see how small equation will get? These are very small equation number 4 and 5. So now in spite of solving such big equations, you just have to solve these two equations, and these two equations you can solve by just adding them. So add equation 3 and 4. So they will be like x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 1. Y cancel out. This will be 2x equal to 4 and x will be 2. So x is 2. Now put the value of x either in equation 1 or in 2, or you can put the value here also here also, but we have to take up that equation which is the smaller one, which makes your calculation easy. So I'll put x equal to 2 in 1, 2, 3 or 4. You just tell me.
3.
Of course, either in 3 or in 4 will be easier. So I'm just putting the value of x in equation number
4.
Let's say 4. So put x equal to 2 in equation 4. You can put that in 3 also. So this is 2 minus y equal to 1, and minus y is 1 minus 2. When it will, you have to shift this. When you will shift this 2 here on the right hand side, it will be minus. So minus y is minus 1. Cancel out. Y equal to 1 and x equal to 2. These two are the answers.